Alright, you guys, I kind of wanted to show you how to hook this AVS switch box. I couldn't find anything online or YouTube, so I thought I'd make a video, see if I can help somebody out there. But basically, you know, you can do it with the remote. It's pretty cool. But I also hooked up the switch box, so you have full control. And everything's wired per tire. This is the front, this is the back. Front left, front right, back left, back right. So everything's, of course, this is your pancake and all the way down. So it's pretty cool, and this is the thing I had the hardest time with, was the wiring schematics. Couldn't find anything. Let me get it over here out of the sun for you. So if you want to pause it, you can, but that's basically how you wire up your switch box. Your dumps, and then this is the remote. Of course, you'll have to figure out what your wiring is on the remote for which channel. But yeah, hope this helps somebody out there. Like I said, it took me a long time to figure all this out because I couldn't find any information on it. See ya.